Hi. Hi. Good girl. Hi.
Dawaj, dawaj, pchałniku, dawaj, na siłę, dawaj, dawaj, dawaj. Dawaj, na siłę, dawaj, na siłę. Dawaj, stary.
Behold, the helicopter elephant. Hang on tight, or he'll blow your mind. Yucky. Hope this boy does regular brushing.
Yeah. Are you smiling? Are you smiling, Goober? That's a big smile. Good job.
This dancing goat be like, your movements are a bit rusty, cow. Me clinging to my bestie after watching a scary movie.
Be free, my little friend.
What you doing? Hey.
Hey, stop, 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 stop. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Monkey DJ spinning tunes from the satellite. No wonder my TV signal's funky.
Bunny, come on. I can see you. Bunny, I can see you. I can see.
You be a good boy. No. Guess that answers that.
When your pigeon thinks your music taste needs an upgrade. Parenting 101. Spot the first and second child.
Come on, man. Show me them pretty whites. That's three.
Short People's Challenge. Reaching the top shelf at the supermarket.
Hello. Hello. Because
Turtles soaking up the sun? No, they're practicing their sun salutation for their circus show.
felt this way before.
Beware, fierce goose. Don't get close.
Okay.
When I said I'm up to my ears, this is what I meant.
We ready or what?
Hold on, I'm with my hole.
Coming, Charlie?
What's it like to visit your introverted relatives? Hi and bye. Poodle's dream career. DJ dropping beats in his sleep.
想不想吃？你想不想吃？想不想吃？ 想不想吃？想不想吃？想不想吃？
It's the best feeling in the world when you finally find that friend who matches your energy level. When you spot your reflection and decide it's time for a showdown, who looks better? This clingy duck follows the owner everywhere, and that's what we call stalking level expert. With a tongue out, he's licking the air like it's the tastiest popsicle ever.
Oh, she's a hairball in her mouth.
Dug the bullets out of that Iraqi family's skulls so they couldn't be traced back to us.
Today I saw a balloon.
Heard that mimicry helps us bond. Shopping news. Trash bins will be the most sold item soon.
No, él es rebelde.
What do a mama human and a mama dog share? The bedtime struggle.
Oye,
Contestona.
This ferret lives by the saying, sharing is caring. Meanwhile, this one right here doesn't seem to care. No bathroom share, please.
Ah, sí, debo hacer ejercicio para adelgazar.
Sleeping Beauty, but it's in reverse.
Gordo estoy, con la gimnasia es peor.
Jump, Annie! Jump!
That's basically me trying to figure out my life. This will always be a better love story than Twilight.
Bye. Bye.
When you lied on your resume and actually got the job. That little gecko seems pretty proud of his newfound furry couch.
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that? Okay.
Give a squirrel a nut, and he's going to give you the best hairstyle ever. Isn't it annoying when you lose control of your tongue?
Ooh, baby, you want a french fry? Baby, french fry? How about you try something healthy like lettuce?
Nope.
I don't want that. Okay, you want a french fry? Here you go.
Me getting caught red-handed trying to sneak into my house after curfew. When you accidentally hire a wizard dog to herd your sheep.
He's gonna push him off. He's gonna do it. He's gonna push him off. Oh my god. By one arm.
Beat him up!
Oh my god. Take your place.
Hold on. Isn't that literally the original plot of Lion King? Worm? Nah, this frog has another idea. Silly you.
Barry is getting me.
Give me a song, honey.
Once the squeaking machine is started, it will never stop. Good luck trying to sleep tonight, human.
Oh, we might have found Chuck's sweet spot. Is that not amazing?
Remember that showering right after a dip in the ocean is a must. Food helps us bond, but food also breaks our bond. Beware.
That thing's got to be fermented. Look at him. Look, his ears are all tucked back. He's all wet. What?
Me watching my dear friend eating in his best manner. Bro, manners up!
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
This pup almost let his evil side win.
Tica, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
Follow this recipe to get your chinchilla fluffy and happy. Obviously, this is not the call of the wild this dog expected.
Oh my god. Oh, and there's another one! Callum!
Bro, tell us your secret. How come you are the luckiest man in the world?
No, él es rebelde.
Why do they have footage of me running away from my problems?
No la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Fences aren't loading. Internet must be slow again.
Bobby! 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 Bobby!
When you know it's the child God sent out to test you, so you gotta keep it cool.
Hi dear.
The customer is always right, especially if he weighs 500 pounds and is a bear.
Already understands the concept of the S-bend to walk through without stepping over the poles.
Being born a horse won't ever stop this buddy from becoming the Maradona of the stable.
Away from the rails with the side of her hoof. Then you see she accidentally steps over the ball, goes back, corrects herself, thinks about.
Really?
Go act like money. Really? All the things that people did.
When you meet a person that is as goofy as you. In Raccoon World, there is no such thing as eating alone.
Estoy cansado, jefe. Cansado de tanto viajar solo como un gorrión en la lluvia.
Love the way this dog stays alert, even during playtime. Thanks for tuning in to our funny animal compilation. If these adorable creatures got you laughing, please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to share your favorite moments in the comment section below. Bye for now. See you soon.